Hello guys, my name is Luca from Audio Tribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will make a sound test comparison between the amazing JBL Boombox 3 and the new released JBL Authentix 500. The JBL Boombox 3 cost around $500 while the JBL Authentix 500 costs $700. These two speakers are very different. While the JBL Boombox 3 has an internal battery, the JBL Authentix 500 only works when it is connected to a power source. But the power is almost similar. The JBL Authentix 500 has 270 watts of power that comes from three. Let me show you, because I can take off this cover. That comes from three tweeters, three mid-range drivers, and a big 6.5-inch woofer. So 270 watts of power, while the JBL Boombox 3 has 180 watts of power that comes from a big 80 watts woofer, two mid-range drivers, and two tweeters. So 180 watts of power versus the 270 watts of power, you will say that this is too much, but let's make this sound test and then I will tell you my conclusion, because I think the Authentix 500 will be much more powerful because it has a mid-range driver and a tweeter extra. I think the audio quality will be better, but let's do the sound test and then we will see. First will be the JBL Boombox 3 with the 180 watts of power. So the power from the JBL Boombox 3, it is very good. For me, I need something more, just like the Ultimate or the 710, but it is okay because it has the internal battery and you can take it with you wherever you want. It has IP67, so it is waterproof and dustproof, while the Authentix 500 doesn't have this protection. The sound, it is well balanced, the mids, the highs, the bass sounds very good, but it is not that powerful. It is way powerful than the JBL Extreme 4. You see, JBL Extreme 4, it is much more powerful. This one has only 100 watts. Of course, it is much more powerful than the JBL Charge 5, but I don't know. I need more sound. And now let's do the sound test with the JBL Authentix 500 at the maximum level of sound. After listening the JBL Authentics 500, I think this doesn't have that much power. The highs and the mids are very present, are very well present. The bass was amazing. I even can say that this speaker, it is better than the JBL Bar 2.1. What can I say? The sound quality, it is much better than the JBL Boombox 3 quality. The bass, it is, I think, 3 times more powerful than the Boombox 3, and the highs and the mids are much more present. What can I say? So this cost around $600, this cost around $700. That depends very much on what you want from the speaker. This is a speaker that you can place near a TV and just leave it there, while the JBL Boombox 3, it is more an active speaker. You can take it with you wherever you want because it has an amazing internal battery, and the sound, it is very good. Not that good, of course, as the JBL Authentics 500, but very good. This, I think, if you will listen to it in the store or some whatever you want, you will be amazed by the sound quality. So what do you think about this test? Feel free to subscribe Audio Tribe YouTube channel and please hit that like button. Cheers!